We're going to be unboxing and installing a K&N cold air intake system, and it says guaranteed to increase horsepower. I'm not going to be dynoing it or anything like that, but one thing I will be doing is a comparison. So right now my intake is still stock. If you guys have seen my channel and the things I've done to it, all I have is a K&N little filter that goes inside the stock cold air intake box already that comes stock with the car. But then again, I don't really believe any horsepower can be giving out of that. So what I gone to do is get the actual full kit for the K&N filter, and then that's pretty much what I'm going to be unboxing for you guys and doing a sound comparison on both. So let's get started. So I'm opening it for you guys with just some simple scissors here. To keep things short, nothing also performance-wise, what it said is gonna guarantee was they had some dyno testing on the website itself, and it said it was gonna provide 15 horsepower and then 13.5 pound-feet of torque onto the car. If it really doesn't, who knows? I do have the what do you call it, the module currently on it, so hopefully this gives it more air, because I do know that the module that I have currently in the car works better with better airflow. So I'm hoping that this cold air intake really helps it out, and as well as my straight pipe, giving it more airflow for the module so it can do its thing. So hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna show you guys the install, and as well I'm gonna show you guys the before and after, so stay tuned. So that's pretty much everything that comes in the kit of the cold air intake. So now what I'm going to do is place it into the car, and I'm going to show you a before and after revving, so you guys can hear a sound difference, because that's one of the reasons why I got it, not only for performance, but I want you guys also hear a difference that you'll be hearing out of my 1.6 liter turbo Hyundai Elantra Sport 2018. So hope you guys enjoy it, and if I motivate you guys to get one for yourself, that's pretty cool. I'm not trying to advertise or anything, so yeah, keep watching. This is gonna be for the it's a resonator delete for the intercooler. That's gonna be another part for another video. Stay tuned to the next video, and I'll be showing you guys all about this, what this is. And if you guys want to do some research for it, go ahead, go to 6elementengineering.com, and then you'll be able to see this. It's like a resonator delete for your intercooler. Once enough of that, let's keep going to the video. Yeah, I'm gonna do a couple more revs on this video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how it sounds like from outside the car, from like the overall exhaust and everything, after having everything done, having the car already recognize that the cold air intake is installed and the airflow and everything. So stay tuned to the video. I'll be showing you some clips. I'm gonna put the camera on the side of the car, do some revs, and then I'm gonna go for a drive, and then I'll let you guys know from there. How do you guys think about it? Whatever you guys decide. Comment, like, or subscribe. Please share the video if you guys are interested in having someone else look at the video and have for themselves look at the difference of a cold air intake, if they believe it or not, on a turbo car. I mostly recommend on a turbo car. I don't know about natural aspirated, because of the videos and reviews I've seen, they only get like a maybe 5 horsepower max, but I'm really feeling a huge difference from this car, even my car before when I had the Jetta. So here it is. Hope you guys enjoy. you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe like I said earlier, and there'll be more videos coming soon. And I have a sneak peek on a resonator delete, and it's not the exhaust, but it's to a pipe that'll remove some lag also as well from connecting the intercooler to the turbo. So stay tuned. Love you guys. Peace.